So yung mga boss, yan na yung ating Tucson D15, 15 inches na 2-way. Yan po yung professional speaker box ng Tucson. Model po niyan ay LD T15 mga boss. Yan, 15 inches. 700 watts yan mga boss, ang nakalagay na speaker natin dyan. Meron siyang frequency response 335 Hz to 18 kHz. Ayan po. Meron siyang sensitivity na 93 dB. Yan po. Saka yung kanyang speaker ay 15 inches na. Isang pirasong 15 inches. Saka yung tweeter naman po niya ay isang pirasong horn tweeter. So yung mga boss, pwede natin sound check ating LD T15 mga boss. Yung ating 15 inches na Tucson. Hello. Pero bago ang lahat mga boss, sa mga hindi pa pala nakapag-subscribe dyan sa aming YouTube channel, hindi po kalimutan mag-subscribe, share and like. Tucson PH official channel. Ayun mga boss.
No one ever saw me like you do. All the things that I could out up to, I never knew just what a smile was worth, but your eyes say everything without a single word. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's a sea my heart knows. You're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what you see, but there's something in the way you look at me. If I could freeze a moment to my mind, I will be the second that you touch your lips to mine. I'd like to stop the clock, make time stand still. 'Cause baby, this is just the way I always wanna feel. 'Cause there's something in the way you look at me. It's a sea my heart knows. You're the missing piece. You make me believe that there's nothing in this world I can be. I never know what.
Gentleman, Father gentleman, Father gentleman. Let's go, let's go. Out, out. Let's go, let's go. Father gentleman. gentleman.
So yun mga boss, yung ating Tucson-Ra LD T15, yan, 15 inches na professional box speaker. Yan naman pala mga boss yung kanyang size ng box, ng kanyang karton. Net weight 32 kg, yung kanyang gross weight naman ay 33.6 kg mga boss. Yan, yung kanyang measurement, yung size niya 555 by 535 by 845 mm mga boss. Yan. Yan, nasa gilid na rin po yung handle. Saka yung kanyang terminal, dalawang speak on na rin mga boss. Yan, meron siyang link, saka input, saka link. Yan. Yan po yung module na mga boss, Tucson-Ra LD T15. Yan, next natin mga boss, yung LD T18, yung passive subwoofer naman. So yung mga boss, kita-kits sa next video.